TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently got a mixed bag out here. The only mix is the semis, which are up 35 points. Otherwise, all of the other U.S. indices that we track are trading to the downside. The Dow is down by 261 points. The S&P 28, NASDAQ 158, Russell 31. The Russell is the big percentage loser to the downside, off 1.5%. The NDX is about 0.8%, 0.7 for the S&P, 0.4% for the NDX 100. Let's go take a look at our 9-panel market update charts. We're going to see as of 1 o'clock here that the ES Mini has pulled back and tested support. Support is both the bottom of its daily and weekly profiles. The weekly is at 40.8025. The bottom of the daily is at 40.91. We're trading at 40.95. So far, this has been nothing more than a test and rejection of support. Watch the 40.80 area. If you take a look at that spot volatility index right now, you've got a little shooting star candle. Don't know what it will be like at session end, but prices trading above the 50-day exponential moving average. That can always be dangerous to the ES Mini. So you'd watch the bottom of the profile. That's at that 40.80 level for clues. If we look at the NQ, it too is just testing support. Support being the bottom of its bullish structured profile. That level is 13.005. You can even get a hammer candle out of this today, but we won't go into that until we actually see that come tomorrow. But at this stage here, both the ES and the NQ have tested and rejected key support levels. In the case of the U.S. dollar index, it's also rejected a key level, but in this case here, a bearish test and rejection. That's the bottom of its daily profile, and that's also that little trend line. Now, we don't show it here, but prices also don't get too carried away on the U.S. dollar busting out to the lows because it's right up against a monthly trend line out there. So it's kind of neutral to bearish is what I would call it. Goldilocks, it's up above the 1-to-1, A to B equals CD. It's up above the top of its daily profile, suggests a move up to the 1908 level. In the case of silver, it's also above the top of its daily profile. That would suggest a move to 2954. That's a 1.272 expansion of that A to B leg. Light sweet crude, pulling back, but really just trading sideways for about the last several weeks out here, finding support at the center of its weekly profile out there. And natural gas, watch 2.921. Your price closes below that, you could see a move back to the 278 level. And the 30-year Treasury, like it has the last 3 days, small-bodied candle, just moving sideways. Nothing to really show there. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show, but if you have to start your Wednesday, have a wonderful one, and we'll see you soon.